Math can feel overwhelming, especially when tackling complex concepts. Today, we're breaking down some tough math concepts to make them easier to understand. Let's dive in. First up is the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem relates to right-angled triangles and states that the square of the hypotenuse, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In equation form, it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This simple yet powerful tool is widely used in geometry and trigonometry. Next, let's talk about quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is any equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The solution is found using the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus, or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. This formula helps us find the values of x that satisfy the equation. Now, let's dive into limits. In calculus, a limit describes the value that a function approaches as the input gets closer to a certain point. Limits are foundational to derivatives and integrals, which help us understand rates of change and areas under curves. Finally, let's look at probability. Probability measures the likelihood of an event happening. For example, if you flip a coin, the probability of landing heads is 1 in 2, or 50%. Understanding probability is key to making informed decisions in real-world situations. Complex math concepts can seem tough, but breaking them down makes them easier to grasp. Keep practicing,